First, you need to turn off the water valve that's going to your water heater. And then turn the breaker off. Get your water hose or garden hose, connect it to this port right here, the drain valve. Let it drain down to the street. Use a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Then turn, open the valve. And then release some pressure. Just pull it up a little bit. Once you get it going, put it straight out. That is how a clean water heater should look. See, there's no sediment coming out from the water heater. This means the maintenance has been performed regularly. You need to drain it at least twice a year. One before the winter and one before the summer. And another good idea to prolong your water heater is to add a water filter right before the water goes into the water heater. This is where the water heater, this is where the water goes into the water heater. So I add a filter right there to filter all the sediment out. Well, most of the sediment out before the water goes into the water heater. Now the water heater is completely drained out. What you want to do is shut the valve off, overflow valve. And then turn on the valve. And leave that valve open. Let it flush out all the sediments. Now let the water flush out for a little bit. After you flush out the water heater, turn the valve off. After the water heater drains out completely, just go ahead and shut off the valve. After you shut off the valve, go ahead and turn on the water. Let it fill up the water heater tank. Remove the hose. Now the water heater tank completely filled up. Now it's time to turn on the power. Now turn on the hot water. The purpose of doing this is to get the air out of the water lines. That's it. Thanks for watching.